Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mandy. Thank you so much for being here. If you are new, welcome. Thank you for coming and checking out. I hope that you will stay. There is a little red subscribe button down there. Please click that so that you are notified, and the bell so you are notified when I do upload, since I do not have a permanent upload schedule yet. We are an unboxing channel here for the most part, hence the unboxing. But I'm trying to work on other videos, as I have been saying. So hauls, empties, all that's already part of the channel, but I'd like to start doing other things, like get ready with me's, maybe some challenges, you know, some good stuff. So today we are doing an unboxing, and it is going to be one of my favorite unboxings, which is the Target beauty boxes. These come out every month. They are not a subscription. They are where you have to go onto Target's website and purchase it like the first week of the month. And generally there's one, sometimes there's two, and they run about $7 a piece. And I believe it's free shipping. I'm not 100%. I'll have to check on that because I do have the Target Red card. So I do get free shipping and I get 5% off, but I think these are free shipping anyway. I could be wrong. Let me know down in the comments if I am wrong, because I know there are some of you that do get the Target boxes. I'm kind of curious to know whether it is free shipping or not. However, I pay probably about $6.50 per box, and you will probably hear me say that. For those of you that have watched these unboxings, you will hear me say that a couple times, because the value of these boxes are unreal. There's always so much in here, and you get use out of pretty much every product. And again, you're only paying $7 per box. So let's go ahead and get started with February's boxes for 2020. So we're going to start with this one first, because I want to do the kissy cute little box last. So this is what the box looks like, and they are always nice little sturdy boxes, great to store things in. I love these boxes. There's what it looks like when you open it. And they generally try to match the tissue paper. And then I'll give you a little sneaky peek of what is in there. Pretty full this month. It's pretty heavy too. All right, so the theme is self-love. It says no S.O. question mark? No, I don't know what that means. No so? Okay. No problem. February may be the month of romance, but, maybe, okay. Duh. But you don't need a boo thing to feel the love. Instead, indulge yourself with these hand-picked products that give you the dose of TLC you deserve. And there's that. And then it comes with a $3 off coupon and a little description of what is in your box. So let's go ahead and get started. First thing on top is a mask. All right, and let me get the paper so I can see. And it is called Mask Bar Silver Foil Peel Off Mask. Peel off mask enriched with natural ingredients helps brighten and soften skin for a smooth, glowing complexion. It says apply thin layer onto cleansed skin. Let sit for 15 minutes until completely dry. Then gently peel off in a downward motion and rinse off with warm water or toner. I do like peel off masks. I will definitely use this. Raspberry fruit extract, macadamia, why do I try to read the ingredients when I cannot? Thermofoil, I don't know, seed oil, peppermint leaf extract. So this probably smells really good. And it is a one-use thing, so that's cool. I like it. Definitely, oh, look, it pops out. Definitely will use it. I like the packaging, super cute. All right, next in here is kind of different, something I've not seen in a Target box before. Looks like little cooling pads. All right, so very glittery, very pretty. This would probably be really good for when I get migraines. Yeah, that would be awesome for migraines. For those of you that suffer with migraines, you know something cold on your head, forehead, eyes is amazing. So let's read about this. What is this? 12 NYC Bright-Eyed Cooling Gel Eye Pads. So I was right. Deliver instant relief to soothe, refresh, and reduce the appearance of puffiness around the eye. Place iPads in the refrigerator for 1 hour or freezer for a minimum of 30 minutes. Use AM or PM to help reduce the puffiness around the delicate eye area, and give peepers an instant brightening boost. Okay. Oh, it does say it on the back too. Duh. I want to feel with these things. Of course it's sealed. Of course it's sealed, but that's okay. I'd rather it be sealed. But I just don't want to cut myself trying to get into it. I want to see what these things feel like. Because you can't really feel it through the plastic. Oh, okay. It's just basically like one of those plastic stress toys. It has glitter in it. You know, obviously it'll fit right. Yeah, let's mess up my eyelashes. Good idea, Mandy. Fit right over your eye. Very cool. Never seen that before in the Target box, so very interesting. Like that. All right, go back on there. I wish it gave like prices, but it does not. But I'm assuming that you probably like in the Target $1, $2 section, that's where you would find that. But it's really cool. All right, moving on to the next product, and I love how they seal their products so it doesn't come out. And this is a product, well, the same brand that we got last month. I think it's Uni is how you pronounce it. And this is Uni My OM World Calming Aromatherapy Body Mist. Aromatherapy body mist made with 100% natural essential oils helps you relax, refresh, and reset whenever, wherever. Okay. Okay. And it is 1 fluid ounce. I have to see if this like smells like amazing or what, because it's definitely something I've not seen. Oh yeah, it's got like a herbally smell to it. But okay, nice. Another product. We have another like liquid product. Let me get this off of here because it's starting to come off already. But that's great, and it's very loose. See, so that's really good that they put these things on there, because otherwise this would have been all over my box, and I'd have been very upset. All right, so this is from Pacifica. I've heard of this brand. I've used this brand. I do like the way their things smell. Sorry, I got my hand stuck in my hair. And this is Pacifica Island Vanilla by Pacifica Perfumed Hair and Body Mist. Okay. Inspired by the luscious Tahitian Islands. I want to go there. This alcohol-free mist blends sultry vanilla with notes of honey, jasmine, and a touch of fruitiness to leave you smelling beautiful from head to toe. Formulated without parabens, phthalates, and propylene glycol. Okay, so let's see what this smells like. Yeah. Oh, it smells so good. And I love putting stuff in my hair like that so that, you know, it stays with you all day. Love this. Okay, and it is 100% vegan and cruelty-free, and there are 2 fluid ounces. Oh, now you can smell the vanilla. It smells so good. Love that. All right, another product that I love, and I do use these. I don't know if you guys have tried these masks or not, but I really like these masks. I don't know if it's strictly a Target thing or not, but I really like these. And this is Cubella Radiance Boost Shimmering Cream Face Mask. Shea and cocoa butters help soften and moisturize the skin, while shimmering particles reveal a radiant, bright complexion. And it says, to get the most out of your mask, first steam skin by taking a hot shower or placing a hot cloth over your face to open pores. I would have never thought of that. I do this stuff all the time, and I would have never thought about that. Okay, so love it. That's so cool. I love their masks, and there's quite a bit in here. Normally, I get 2 uses out of that. Normally. All right, next item in here is so Village Naturals Therapy. I've never heard of them, but unfortunately, for those of you that have been around, you know that I do not have a bathtub that I will take a bath in. So this would have to be like a foot soak for me, or it possibly could go to somebody else in my family. I'm protesting for a bigger bathtub. So hubby, you know, I know you're not watching this, but I would really like a big bathtub. That would be nice. Okay, so this is, where are you at? Village Naturals Therapy Aches and Pains Muscle Relief Mineral Bath Soak. Mineral contains a therapeutic blend of Epsom and sea salt, essential oils, and cooling menthol to help draw out impurities and ease tired muscles. And then it says, don't have time for a full bath, just soothe your feet in a foot bath with warm water and a handful of bath soap. So that's probably what I will do, but not a bad product to get in a $7 box. And it looks like we have one more item, and this is kind of awesome to see in the Target box. I've never seen a product deluxe size like this. Normally it's like a sample size or a travel size. This is more deluxe. And this is from Aveeno. Aveeno is not cheap. I'm sure we all know about Aveeno. So this is Aveeno Moisturizing Cica, C-I-C-A, I think it's Cica, Balm. Moisture-rich triple oat complex helps shield skin from winter's drying effects so that you can wave goodbye to chapped, cracked skin and say hello to all-day moisturization. There is 1 ounce of product in this. It says cracked skin relief, helps relieve cracked skin. See if it's full. Oh, it's sealed. So I'm not going to open it because I will either put this in a giveaway or I will wait to use this, or it'll go to a family member. But this is a really nice product to get into the box. All right, so that's it that's in this box. So let's recap that. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items. So starting with the Aveeno, then we have the Muscle Soak. We have this awesome hairspray kind of stuff, body hairspray stuff. Another spray. We have a mask. We have another mask right here. And we have some cooling gels. So if you have the Target Red Card, it is $6.50. If you do not, it is $7. Can't beat it for $7, you guys. That's awesome. Awesome. All right, moving on to the next box real quick. Let's go through this. So cute. I love it. It's adorable. Definitely will be using this box probably back here for something. I love it. I don't even mind that it says Target Beauty because that, you know, who cares about that? So when you open it up, of course it's red, Valentine's Day themed, all this stuff. Red paper and a sneak peek. All right, so we have Pucker Up. The secret to keeping your lips looking plump and luscious, treating them with some tender loving care and the right products, of course. From a cooling gel mask to a vibrant matte lipstick, we've rounded up our favorite finds that'll keep your pout perfectly kissable. And again, another $3 off coupon. All right, and it has a list of your products. So this thing is cute, kind of like the other thing that we got, but this is a lip one. It's super cute. Where are you? You are, okay, first item, obviously. 12 NYC, same company, Perfect Pout Cooling Gel Lip Mask. Delivers cool, soothing relief for a moisturizing at-home spa experience. And the tip says, place mask in the refrigerator for 1 hour, same thing the other one said, or in the freezer for a minimum of 30 minutes. For best results, use mask after applying your favorite lip scrub and moisturizing products. Super cute. Same concept. It's cute. I love it. All right. Next item in the box is awesome. What? All right. So there is a lip scrub from St. Ives, and it is a full size. St. Ives Passion Fruit Lip Scrub. Vibrant exfoliating scrub polishes away dullness to reveal super soft, smooth lips. And of course it says, simply massage exfoliator onto lips, then wipe off and glow. This is a full size, you guys. It is sealed, but I'm opening this bad boy. Open up. Oh, come on. Get off of there. It had a piece of tape on it. Okay. I can't get it all off of there. Oh, it smells good. I love passion fruit. I don't want to touch it because then I don't want to get all greasy, but full size, filled to the top. Beautiful. Love it. What? $6.50? $7? All right, next item is a product that I do have. So this actually will go into the giveaway. I love these things. I have like 4 colors of this. This is perfect for any time of the year. And this color actually is really, really pretty. So this is from Burt's Bees. It is a lip shimmer and it is in peony. Enriched with shea butter, beeswax, and antioxidant-rich fruit oils to moisturize, nourish, and soften lips naturally. Lip shimmers glide on with perfect complement of moisture and touch of color. The 100% natural moisturizing lip tint has a smooth texture that looks great or alone to layer with your favorite lipstick. This is really pretty. It gives you just enough color, and it is a perfect nude color, and it's very moisturizing. I love that they put this in here. I've never seen that in one of these boxes. All right, next, looks like another Burt Bee product. And it is, where are you at? Moisturizing lip mask. Okay. Single-use lip mask moisturizes and hydrates instantly and defines your lips with a blend of natural ingredients, including meadow foam seed and almond oils. This 100% natural hydrating formula leaves behind soft, smooth, and nourished lips. Okay, definitely excited to try that. I do like lip masks. Next item in the box is from Soap and Glory. What? They are stepping it up. Soap and Glory Sexy Mother Pucker Lip Plumping Gloss Plump Up. This plumping gloss glides on so lips feel soft and look ravishing. Featuring our trademark lip plumping technology and extreme volume and moisture, making lips feel instantly fuller. Definitely something to shout a pout. Okay, I'm not going to open that because it is sealed and I have plenty of glosses that are that color, but it will go away for a giveaway. And it looks like we have one more item, which is like, I cannot believe this is in the box. I can't believe it. It is a lipstick from Milani. This pays for the box right here. I guarantee this was more than the box. Because I own Milani lipsticks and I love them. Milani Bold Color Statement Matte Lipstick. High pigmented formula, provides bold color in just one stroke, up to 8 hours of smudge-proof wear. Easy Glide formula infused with MONOI oil, I don't know, to keep lips hydrated and kissable. So let's see. It is in shade 10. I Am Confident. Love that. And when you open it, oh, it's even got the little Milani stamp on there. I don't know if you can see that. That's really pretty. Very dark lipstick. And I love their formula. So definitely, oh wow, that's pretty. That's actually like probably something that the color my mom is looking for. So that's really cool. Oh, and it has bold matte written right there. If you hear noise in the background, I'm so sorry. People are out there making noise. All right, so let's recap our box. And we have our Milani lipstick. We have a Burt's Bee lip oil. We have a lip gloss from Soap and Glory. We have another lip gloss shimmer from Burt's Bees. We have a lip scrub, obviously all about the lips. And we have this lip mask cooling thing. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 products for $6.50, $7 if you do not have a Target Red card. So you guys, I really loved this month's boxes. This one, if you're gonna get either of them, this one is where it's at. Like, this has got some amazing products in it. Not saying that this one doesn't have amazing products, because it definitely does. So if you can afford to get both of them, I mean, these probably are going to sell out very, very quickly. So I will try to get this video up as soon as I can. But thank you guys so much for coming. I'm excited for this. So leave me a comment down below if you guys get these boxes, if you're interested in them. And if you did, do you like what you received? So don't forget, I do have a giveaway coming up soon. So please stay tuned for that. And thank you guys so much for being here. Have a fantastic day. Bye.